So hello and welcome everyone to this new YouTube video. I'm Ananya Shankar and I welcome you all. So today in this video, I'll be talking about reality of law school. So in this video, we'll be talking about groupism, societies, clashes and time management of law school. First of all, I would tell you that in our law college or particularly in any law college, there are many societies such as mooting, ADR, debating society, mock parliament, etc. In these societies, many a times we see a lot of groupism because the students who keep a bond with teachers and their seniors get a lot more easily into executive member board or the organizing committee. So first thing is that these people have multiple connections and they have a great sense of networking, but this does not mean that you will compare yourself with these people, because many times you will listen a great quote that is written by me, of course, that craving for easy or early success hinders your sustainability for long-term growth. So keep this thing in mind and don't run behind all the societies. Okay, you need to choose maximum one or two societies in which you can work to the fullest. Because if you become a member of every society of your college, then you cannot devote time for each one of them in a better way. Another thing is that for time management, you have to devote some time to studies, some time to your competitions, such as if there is a mooting competition, then you can devote a time there also. So you have to balance it out. Okay, and in competition, you have to have a critical analysis of each person. When you compare yourself with one person who is doing an internship at a good law firm, doesn't mean that you are nothing, because someday the person might be in litigation and you might have a 500 crore company. You never know what life holds for you in future. So my basic suggestion to all those who are in a law school is that devote your time equally to each of the things, your societies, your studies, etc. Then comes clashes. If you have clashes with seniors or some people who are outstandingly performing in various competitions, then you might have a drawback, because they will hinder you from joining any society, because they would be the member of any executive committee. So my basic motto for those who have clashes is to participate more in other types of competition, so that you can win over those and you can prove your capability that you are not less than any one of them, and you can also do great things. So this was a short and crisp video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video of course, and bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, I have kept a CV, Law Octopus, my Law Octopus. It's a sample CV, so you can check how to build your CV. It's down in the description. I'll put the link below, so check it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.